Welcome. I want to continue my reflections on the readings from the book of Genesis today. Uh, the reading for today is the beginning of the second story of creation. There are two stories of creation in Genesis. In the first one, God created everything by his word. Today we hear about how God created the man from clay, from the dust of the earth, and blew into his nostrils the breath of life. And so, what this says, it says many things, but one of the things that it says to me is that as we used to hear and sometimes still do hear on Ash Wednesday, we are dust. We came from dust, and to dust we shall return. That isn't necessarily a negative thing. It means that we have an organic relationship with the earth. We literally came from the earth itself, and we will return to the earth upon our death. But it says something else as well. The earth takes care of us. It provides the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, the materials out of which we make our homes, create our books, our clothing. The earth takes wonderful care of us. And so that means as well that we need to take care of it. We need to protect and nurture the earth. Pope Francis, in his encyclical Laudato Si', referred to the earth as our mother, our sister. And so let's remember today that just as the earth takes such great care of us, it's equally important for us to take good care of it. Thank you for watching today.